40 plus TRX exercises that you can do anywhere. This video is going to be tailored to those people that are TRX fanatics, TRX fans. If you want to work your upper body, lower body, or core exercises, I'm going to all have those in this video for you guys. Also, make sure that you check down in the description because I have over 15 different TRX videos that are all tailored towards you, making sure to help you reach your goals. Without further ado, guys, let's get started with this video. Let's go. And just like that, guys, that was the over 40 different TRX exercises that you can do anywhere. Bonus tip for you guys, I said that I was gonna give you a bonus tip. Check down below in the description, because in the description, I'm gonna have a free ebook for all my TRX fans and fanatics. All you gotta do is click that link in there, put your email address in there, and I'm gonna send that ebook right over to you guys. With that ebook, you're gonna get TRX exercises and workouts, as well as RIP trainer exercises and workouts for those die-hard TRX fans. Without further ado, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. It's been your man Royal, and I will see you guys in the next video or even vlog. Peace out. Let's go.